Hello viewers, and for you today I have another coin from my collection. Sometimes people ask me what's the largest coin I have in my collection, and this would be it. This is a 50 rupee coin from India from 1974. It is a commemorative issue coin, FAO, Planned Families. And the FAO is the Food and Agricultural Organization of the United Nations. This is the obverse, and on the obverse we have the Ashoka lion pillar above the numerical value, and the text on the front says India 50 rupees in two different languages, both English and Hindi. And I'll show you the reverse. And the reverse has family within a triangle, grain, ears, flank, and the lettering says Planned Family Food for All in both English and Hindi in the year 1974. This particular coin is a fairly large coin. It is 44 millimeters in diameter, has a thickness of 3 millimeters, its shape is round, and it weighs 34.7 grams. Its composition is 50% silver. And there you can see 44 millimeters diameter. This coin should weigh 34.7 grams. So let's see what it gives us. Well, look at that, 34.7 right on the dot. So this particular coin is from the Mumbai Mint. It has a diamond for mint mark, and it is right below the year of the coin. Let's see if we can see it. It's probably all the closer I can get in before it de-reses. Yep. As you can see, there's a diamond there. This particular coin has been graded at uncirculated, and the value for it would be $33. I think this is a very well designed, very sharp looking coin, and I'm glad to have it in my collection. So, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.